How to fix screen flickering problem in Windows 10. In this tutorial I will show you two methods it will fix your problem. First, open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your Integrate Display Adapter and click on Update Driver. Make sure your network was connected.
If that didn't work,
click on Uninstall Device. Uncheck this box and click on Uninstall. Click on Scan for hardware changes.
Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Open Display Setting. Change the recommended resolution for your computer. Step 2, Open Power Plan. I hope your problem should be fixed.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.